Hi guys, this is Divyansh from my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the Apple Watch, that is the Apple Watch Series 3 that I've been using from the past 2 or 3 days. And today guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pair this watch to your iPhone and about its overview. How does this watch look and what are the features that this watch has. And mind it guys, there is a small reminder for you all that this Apple Watch only works with an iPhone. In order to, if you want to use this Apple Watch, you must have an iPhone. Without an iPhone, this Apple Watch is simply a waste of money. It will not even activate without an iPhone. And also guys, make sure that if you have an iPad or MacBook, then also it will not work. So in case you want to use it, you are going to have an iPhone with you. Otherwise, you cannot even pair it with any other device. So guys, let's start along with the video. So hi guys, and let's move to the pairing process, friends. And as you can see this, let me first give you the brief information you about this Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch Series 3 that I'm using right now. And friends, this is the 42mm version, and this is the only GPS one. You can get it in the cellular variant also, but I have this GPS one, and this is also pretty good. And before starting, friends, let me give you a physical overview of this watch. As you can see in the front, right now I'm resetting it because I'll be showing you the process how to pair it with your iPhone. And mind it guys, if you're buying this Apple Watch Series 3 or any Apple Watch, you must have an iPhone with yourself in order to pair it. If you don't have iPhone, then you will not be able to pair it. You cannot be able to pair with any other Apple devices also. Like I have an MacBook, also I have another iPad in my house, and I cannot pair it just with the MacBook or iPad that I have. So it is a limitation that you must have an iPhone in order to set up this watch also. So guys, let's start this video from this overview section. And guys, as you can see, the front is a screen and is a total screen, and guys, this is a touch screen that is very nice, and it's very sensitive. And friends, this is one of the rare watches that has very high sensitivity towards touch. And friends, as you can see, it has come out and it is glowing right now. It's telling me about pairing process and all. And this is a complete touchscreen guys. As you can see, I can just navigate through touches, and as you can see guys, it's very fluid. That's what I love about this watch, and that is it is very fluid. And guys, let me give you a overview of this watch. In the front we have the screen portion, which is completely touch screen, and if we move towards the back, you can see this portion. This portion is the heart rate sensor, and this is very accurate heart rate sensor that we are having, and it gave very accurate reading, and it detects your heart rate in every 30 seconds or 2 or 3 minutes. You can set it in the app as per your liking. And friends, it is a very accurate heart rate sensor. And on the right side of the watch we have this digital crown, which is basically a button also. You can press this inside the watch. I'll show you the functionality once the watch is set up. And guys, it is also used to navigate. You can navigate through touch, but if you don't want to use the touch, then you can navigate through this also. By rotating this bezel, you can move around in the watch. So that's very nice feature that we have. And this is the power on off button of the watch that will be used to turn off the watch if needed. These two buttons have very more functionality. I'll show you once the watch is set up. And on the left side we have the two microphones. So minded guys, this is the only one of these rare smartwatches that can that we can use for calling. We can also make a call via this. I will show you in the review of this watch. And also it has dedicated speakers. So friends, we can also talk to our friends with the help of this microphones and speakers. So guys, let me just set up this Apple Watch, and I'll show in this video. I'm going to show you only the pairing process, and I'll make a dedicated review about this watch after using it for some times. So friends, let's start. So guys, you need an iPhone to pair this watch, and as only you with this latest iOS, I just have to put my iPhone nearby my Apple Watch, and this will automatically detect the watch as it did. In order to accomplish this, you have to turn the Bluetooth on of your device. And friends, let's hit the continue button. See, as you can see, it automatically detected the watch. And guys, you just have to click the continue button here, and if you just, it will automatically enter the watch app. And as you can see, guys, there is some sort of design that we can see on this Apple Watch. This symbol has some sort of code in it, and you have to scan it with the help of your iPhone. So let's scan that. You have to be quite a bit patient for this. And as you can see, guys, this Apple Watch is it is written briefly that your Apple Watch is paired. And in your watch you can see some face like this, which is giving a brief description about watch, that it is Apple Watch Series 3 42mm variant, designed by Apple in California, and all the stuffs like that. So guys, now it's the time for you to work with your iPhone. So guys, as you can see in the screen, if you are already been using an Apple Watch, you can restore from the backup that you would have taken to the Apple ID or Apple iCloud. And if you are setting up this as a new Apple Watch, you have to click this setup as new Apple Watch button. So when you will click that, another screen will come. Here you have to decide in which arm do you want to wear your Apple Watch. I'll wear it in my left arm. And meanwhile, in this Apple Watch, it will set up the process, and it is basically connecting to the Apple Watch. The app is basically connecting to the Apple Watch. So it might take some time to connect your iPhone to the Apple Watch, so you have to be pretty patient. And guys, this is a very seamless experience. As you saw, just when I opened my app, it automatically detected the watch, and it showed on the iPhone. So that's the beauty of iOS. And friends, you can see that we have a new page around here, which is terms and conditions. Just agree to it. And guys, this is the main party trick that we are having in this video: activation lock. So guys, this page will only come to your page if you have bought this Apple Watch second hand. I have also bought this Apple Watch second hand, but and in order to activate that, you have to enter the Apple ID and password of the real owner of this Apple Watch. So guys, it is pretty tough process when you're buying it second hand. So I would recommend you all to buy it first hand only. But as I have already used this Apple Watch, so it is asking for my Apple ID and password. So let me just enter my Apple ID and password then. So guys, I have entered my Apple ID and password. Now it might take some time. You can see as it's rolling around, and it might take some time to activate this watch. And overall, it is a very good watch. I've tested this watch for now over 2 to 3 days, but I want some more time with this watch, because it has lot of features and functionalities. So I want some time to review this watch. Meanwhile, by the next week, I would release its review. So guys, this process may take some time. So let me just skip this process. So guys, as you can see with this screen, let me focus it. And guys, that activation lock is now removed, and your Apple Watch is now unlocked and it is ready to use. For this, you have to enter here OK. So I'll click on this OK button, and this page asks that if you want to set any passcode for your Apple Watch or not. So I'll do it. I'll create a passcode, and you have to enter that passcode in your Apple Watch. So I'll do it like this. You have to re-enter your passcode, and now again you have to come back to the phone. Let me focus this. So here it will ask you to update your watch. You can do it later. So I'll click install updates manually. And friends, just continue all this stuff. And now your Apple Watch is being syncing. And once this syncing is done, your Apple Watch is now ready to use. So guys, this syncing might take some process because it's going to sync every data that is present inside your phone, your logs, your contacts, your messages to this Apple Watch, so we can use this. Also, it will also sync the weather app, the weather that is current weather that is present in your locality. So it will also sync that the watch, and also it will sync all the notifications that you have been getting in the iPhone, and that will now completely come in your Apple Watch. So guys, this syncing takes a lot of bit of process, and see, as you can see, it's very slow. Just now only there is only two to three rings that have completed. So this syncing might take some process. So let me just skip this process, and we'll continue when the Apple Watch is sync. Now guys, once your Apple Watch is paired, you will come across a screen like this, in which it will be said like this. You'll see a screen like this basically, and you just have to hit this digital crown to enter your watch. And when you hit that digital crown, it goes inside the watch, as you can see guys. And this is the current watch face, and you can change the watch faces, and that I'll state in the next video. But now let me just quickly tell you about the two features of this digital crown and this power on off button. So guys, this digital crown is helpful in accessing your apps. These are all the apps that you have in your Apple Watch. Let me just bring it to your list view. And guys, all of this this digital crown is basically used to access all the apps that that are present inside that watch. So guys, as you can see, there are tons and tons of watches that it is not on my wrist, so it automatically locks. So let me just enter, and these are all the apps guys that you're going to get in this digital crown. And meanwhile, if I open this messaging app, so friends, with the help of this digital crown, you can go back in that, you can move back. So it is a back button also, it also acts as a back button, and it is also used to navigate. As you can see guys, I will also use this, rotate this digital crown to navigate, and it will also use to go to back. And this, hitting this power on a button, you will go to the recent apps that you have used, like we have on the on our phones. Here also we will get the recent apps that we will be using. So guys, this was the video for now for the Apple Watch. And guys, this is really one of the best smartwatches that you can buy right now. And if you are going to buy Apple Watch, even the Series 3 is good to go. So guys, this was up with the Apple Watch Series 3. Definitely I will be posting a full review regarding its pros and cons after a week or so, because I need to test some of the features of this watch, and I will take my time with this watch, and will come up with a very good review that will be useful to you all. So guys, this is for the Apple Watch Series 3. If you have any doubts regarding this watch, post your doubts in the comment section. I will more than happy to answer all of your doubts. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. And if you like my video, then do hit the like button and share my videos. So that's it for today guys. I'll catch you later.